Righto guys, welcome back. So it's been quite a while since I posted a video. I thought I'll put one now. It's very good timing, I think. The reason is I'm driving along today and I suddenly get an alert on my on the computer, and it's telling me that the rear tire pressure is too low and that I should pull over and check the wheels, right? Which I did. If you remember, it's been about 4 months now. I lowered the car. I'll just show you what's happened as a result of lowering the car. Sure enough, when I pulled over, I did have a flat. All of this I didn't even notice. I mean, I wash the car almost every week. Look at that. The inside of the tyre completely eaten away to the point where the steel is sticking out. Right, this is the rear tyre. If you remember, yeah, that's what the rear looks like. And because I had to drive home, I even chewed into my tyre lettering, so that's gone as well. But look at the tyre. Still so much tread in there. And yet the inside of the tyre completely worn. That is a result of camber. Right, camber. So I did get the car lowered. I did take it in for servicing. And if you look at my other video, I'll show you there the results of that servicing. It was within the green spec, but I still remember on the paperwork it did state that it wasn't ideal, and I suppose this is what it means. Alright, so if you're putting 275s 20-inch wheels on your car without getting the camber extended, this is what you will face. Different cars, or I suppose different driving styles and everything, impact how long it's going to last. Mine lasted 4 months, not even 4 months. Here's the other wheel. You can see here it's starting to wear as well. Same thing, right? Not as bad as the other one.